Hi guys, Garth here. Today we're doing the Dragon Lunge. The Dragon Lunge is an excellent exercise for building knee stability and ankle stability, as well as mobility in both. So not only are you getting quad gains, you're also getting mobility and stability gains. So you can't be bad to that. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand. I would stand on a normal size yoga mat, so this will give you an idea where to put your feet. And I would stand with, say if you're going to start with your left foot, that in the middle of the mat. From there, you're going to take your right foot out to your side, bring it around in a semicircle behind you, and ideally you would put it in the back corner on the left hand side of your yoga mat. From there, you're going to squat down, and that will be you in the lunge. So your knee should end up at the outside of your ankle bone on the left hand foot. So it should be just very, very close to it. And then you just stand up again, come back into neutral, and do it again. Just repeat the process. If you're going to swap the lower foot, make sure the right hand side foot is in the middle of the yoga mat, so that then you're putting the left foot in the right spot on the back right hand corner when you go to do it. These can be done weighted, but I would recommend that you get the motion and the movement down first, body weight, before you think about adding weight. So let me know how you get on.